haven't already, please make sure to like, subscribe, and give me a follow on my Facebook channel. Today, we're going to be reading Pigs Will Be Pigs, Fun with Math and Money by Amy Axelrod and Jeremy Nolan. Let's get into it.
Before we start reading the book, let's have a reminder of what each coin is worth. Pennies are worth 1 cent, nickels are worth 5 cents, dimes are worth 10 cents, and quarters are worth 25 cents.
The pigs were hungry. Again. Let's have a snack, suggested Mr. Pig. Dear, what do we have to eat? Mrs. Pig opened the refrigerator. Oh no, it's empty. And I just went grocery shopping this morning. Who ate up all the food? She asked. We helped ourselves, said the piglets. And Dad raided the refrigerator a few times. No problem, said Mr. Pig. Let's go out to eat. Great idea, said Mrs. Pig. Except for one thing. What's that? Asked Mr. Pig. I didn't get to the bank and I don't have any money, she said. Do you? Mr. Pig opened his wallet. All I have is $1, and that's certainly not enough to feed the pigs. Children, how about you? Any money? The piglets shook their heads no. Well, family, said Mrs. Pig, there's only one thing to do. Hunt for money! Let's start with the bedrooms upstairs, said Mr. Pig. He looked through all the closets and drawers. Look what I found, Mr. Pig said to Mrs. Pig. That lucky $2 bill I was saving. It was in my socks. Mrs. Pig searched the beds, looked under the carpet, in the night table, and in her jewelry box. Not too much here, she said to Mr. Pig. Mostly a lot of dust. But I did find 2 nickels, 5 pennies, and 1 quarter. I know that 1 nickel is 5 cents, meaning 2 nickels is 10 cents. And then 5 pennies. Each penny is 1 cent, so that's another 5 cents. And then 1 quarter. A quarter is 25 cents. So 10 cents plus 5 cents plus 25 cents is 40 cents. Meanwhile, the piglets were busy hunting in their room. They found 6 shiny dimes at the bottom of their toy chest and $1 bill in the bookshelf. Then they sat down to count out their penny collection. They counted 200 pennies. We know that dimes are 10 cents each, so 6 dimes would be 60 cents. And then 200 pennies. I know that 100 pennies is $1, so 200 pennies must be $2. So 60 cents plus $1 plus $2 is $3.60. Back downstairs, family, said Mr. Pig. Mrs. Pig and the piglets opened the front hall closet. They checked coat pockets and all of Mrs. Pig's pocketbooks. They found 4 quarters, 10 dimes, 1 50-cent piece, and 17 pennies. I know that 4 quarters, each being 25 cents, is $1, and 10 dimes is also equivalent to $1. So that's $2 right there. Then 1 50-cent piece being 50 cents, and then 17 pennies, each penny being 17 cents. So, $2.67. The pigs were on a roll. Mrs. Pig checked the laundry room and found a wet $5 bill. Mr. Pig looked through the kitchen cupboards and pantry. Dear, he said to his wife, there's nothing in here. I'm going down to the basement. A few minutes later, Mr. Pig came running up from the basement holding a $20 bill. Look what I found in my toolbox, he said. It's time to eat. Mrs. Pig put all of the money in a shoebox. She counted it several times while Mr. Pig drove the family to their favorite restaurant. Okay, mathematicians, This would be a great time to pause the video and calculate how much money the pigs have to buy dinner. When they arrived at the restaurant, the pig said to the waitresses, "We're the pigs and we're very hungry. What's the special?" Oh wow, there are a lot of good meals on this menu. But let's look at the special. We got a cup of the chef's special soup, a combo of a cheese enchilada, a guacamole enchilada, and one chimichanga, unlimited visits to the salad bar, a coconut smoothie, and deep fried ice cream with coffee or tea for only $7.99? That's a really good deal. The pigs ordered 4 specials. They ate and ate until they couldn't eat anymore. They paid the bill and then left for home. Mathematicians, this would be a good time to stop and think about how much money the pigs spent if they paid for 4 specials and each special was $7.99. "Boy, am I stuffed," said Mr. Pig as he parked the car in the driveway. "I can't button my pants." "I know what you mean," said Mrs. Pig. "I feel like I'm going to explode." "We have belly aches," said the piglets. "Just a few more steps and we'll be at the front door," said Mrs. Pig. "Then we can all relax in our nice, clean, neat, cozy house. There's nothing like home, sweet home." "Your mother's right, kid," said Mr. Pig. "There's nothing like home, sweet..." Uh-oh.
So, mathematicians, what did we learn today? We learned that pennies are worth 1 cent, nickels 5 cents, dimes 10 cents, and quarters 25 cents. We also learned that the bills include the $1 bill, the $5 bill, the $10 bill, and the $20 bill. And finally, we learned that coins and bills can quickly add up to a lot of money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, bell. Goodbye, mathematicians!